Guys, it is Purple Pants here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm just going to be telling you guys something. I'm going to be building my first PC. So I'm going to go over all the parts that I'm using. I've got a Quartermaster case. Got the B450M Bazooka motherboard. Got the RX 570 graphics card. I've got a 1TB Barracuda hard drive. Got 8GB of RAM. Got a 120GB SSD. I have a 450 watt power supply. And I have the AMD Ryzen 3 2200G processor. And of course I have a monitor, and a keyboard, and a mouse, and a mouse pad. And this mouse I actually bought in November, but I gave it to my friend, and he didn't want it anymore, so he gave it back. And it's kind of broken, but it still works fine. Alright, so the total cost of all of this, so not including the monitor and the keyboard, was 600 Canadian dollars, and I got all of it on Amazon, except for the SSD, which I got off of Newegg. And this monitor I got from Costco for $100, and this keyboard from Amazon for $40. And when I bought this mouse, it was $20. And I bought this in November, and this mouse pad was like $5. So yeah, that's all I had to say today, and I'm going to be making a video once I'm done building my PC, so stay tuned. Bye.